You've created your first team. What's next? Well, let's go and set it up with the right members of staff in it and invite our students. We're going to go to our Teams page, and the first time you start it, you'll have this wonderful FAQ pop up with a bunch of help and useful videos and links. You're probably going to dismiss that the first time though, so to find it again, you'll need to click on Teams for EDU FAQ on the page. But let's add some fellow teachers. If I click Manage Team Members, I get to invite people to the team. And there's a number of ways I can do this. The first is for people that already have a Replit account. I can just type in their usernames. So you see that I type in the username, pick the one I want, and the invite is sent. When the teacher has accepted the invitation, they'll be enrolled as a member. Now, members are students, so we need to go in, click that, and change it to an admin, so the fellow teacher can have all the same admin rights that we do. That's creating projects, editing projects, marking work, and viewing what the students have done. How about inviting students then? Well, by far the easiest way is to generate a team invite link. That link there can be pasted into any browser, added to your LMS of choice. Students will click it, create an account or sign into an existing account and be added to the team and kicked straight to that page straight away. The accounts will be created in a privacy mode, which I've got set up now, and that gives you as a teacher a few more admin perks than you would otherwise. Any student that goes to that address is given the chance to sign up for an account. It gives you a generic username by default, but they can change it. And once they've put a password in, they get sent straight into the team. And if we go back to our teacher view, you'll see that that user's been added as a member, which is exactly what I want. Now, we all know that trying to remember that user 1901223 is Timmy is going to be a bit of a problem, but we have this ability to add nicknames. Simply click on their username, add their real name. That is now visible just to you and your teaching staff. It doesn't get stored with the user, but it's a good way for you to make sure you're marking the right person's work, even if they have got weird or unusual usernames. What happens if they forget their password, I hear you ask? Well, that's even easier. The little lock button allows you to simply change their password for them. So students that forget their password are very easy to deal with there and then in the lesson. Now, if you don't use the privacy protection mode, if you don't have students under 13, you also have some other options as well. You'll be able to bring them in via Google Classroom, or you'll be able to use a normal CSV file to create accounts for them and sign them up for the classroom. If you want to invite your co-teachers or students to your classroom, you'll find all the options in this page.